When you start a trending YouTube channel, your channel will be monetized within just 30 days, and you can comfortably earn at least $2,000–$3,000 per month from this channel. I'm not just saying this out of an air. I'll also show you live proof. You'll be amazed to see how a shorts channel can earn so much money. I've done a lot of research on this topic, and I found a channel that has completed 0.07 million subscribers by uploading only 65 videos. Each of their videos gets millions of views, and they neither show their face nor do voiceovers in their videos. Their channel, on YouTube, is entirely made with the help of AI. When I opened this channel on Social Blade and saw its earnings, I became interested myself. This channel is earning between $15,000 to $235,000 per month by uploading shorts videos. Now, you must be convinced that if you open this type of channel, you can easily earn $2,000 to $7,000 per month. I'll also give you a bonus tip at the end of the video, which will enable you to generate unlimited images for such videos. And I'll also explain how to upload this type of video so that it can go viral. So make sure to watch the entire video without delay. Let's start the video. First, you need to come to this website named Lashitsa Art. After that, you need to search for generate picture of cat as fashionable runway model strutting down a tiny catwalk in stylish attitude. It will create many images. You need to scroll down and select the images you like and download it. In the same way, you have to download as many images as you want. Now you have to edit these images to make a perfect video. You can choose any video editor you like. I do video editing in CapCut. You have to import all of your images according to the arrangements you want. Now, all these images are of May 5 seconds each, so you need to cut them to 2 seconds. Click on the image, then reduce their duration. You need to scroll down on the side and click on animation. You need to select an animation and then click on the right. You need to add animation to all images in the same way. Now our video is ready. Click on the save button above to download the video. After that, uploading video. First, you need to search title according to your video and find the trending short video. After that, click on a video. After that, click on remix on the side. After that, click on use this sound. Now you will see an interface like this. Now you need to go to the gallery below and select your video. After that, click on done. Now, your video will start processing. After processing is complete, click on the icon on the right. Now, click on next again. Now, click on the pencil at the top and select a good thumbnail. After that, click on done. Now, write a good title and upload the video to Unlisted. After 1 to 2 hours of uploading the video, make the video public. So if you want to generate unlimited images, you'll see a prompt below the image you generated. Copy it and paste it in the search bar. Then search for it. Now you will get a new image generated. Now you can download it and make a video. Similarly, you will get a prompt below all images. From that, you can generate new images and make unlimited videos. So that's it for today's video. If you liked the video, you can subscribe to our channel. And if you also want to know how I made both shots viral by uploading only 2 shots on my channel, then tell me in comments section. I will anki a video for you. Okay, I'll meet you in next video.